Share it. Ta-da! A microwave. How do I know if it's ready? Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to get started with this video. We are going to be doing some meals. Can you guys see me? Oh my god. I know I've been MIA. Okay, I just had to wash my hands. So I'm gonna wash my chicken. So then I like to take off the fat. Okay, so where have I been with my weight? Thursday, November 5th. So today I weighed myself and I like measured all my measurements and stuff. And I want to say that when I weighed myself, I was at 204. That was my train of thought. What was I saying? Oh, my measurements. Okay, so I did my measurements and I kind of compared them to when I did the Chloe Ting, like the 2-week week shred, the first video that I posted out. And for my stomach or my waist area, I probably went up like half an inch, which I was really like proud of myself. My arms are pretty like a little big, but what I'm trying to say is I haven't dramatically like gone up completely. So that kind of motivated me because the looking at the number makes you feel like you're failing, like you're just like, what the fudge? But it doesn't matter, like this journey is hard regardless of whatever. I did post a post on my Instagram, or I'm gonna post it. I don't know if I posted it, I'm gonna post it. A picture of me before when I lost weight and now. Have lost weight. I know what to do. It's just I need to do it. Doesn't everybody say that? We're gonna meal prep. So we're gonna do having the food already, because I feel like that's where I've been slacking off. I just haven't had my food ready. Second, I want to have snacks. I need to have my snacks, but it just has to be healthy snacks, because then I catch myself either wanting to order out or chips. Alright, well, let's get to it. I am going to be doing chicken meals. For seasonings, I'm not going to go on technical and be like, this is what I put, this is what I put. Honestly, I don't know if, because I'm not like a cooker. I just do it. The seasonings are not the healthiest. It's like seasonings that I found in Superior. Shit, I forgot to put this away. Ooh, child. Okay. And if you're not a cooker or whatever, like, don't be afraid, you guys. Just put whatever you feel like. So I have like lemon pepper, I have crushed pepper, I have garlic, I have onion powder, which is like your normal ones. What else what kind of other seasonings do I have? Italian, the chili powder, ground pepper, basil. Sometimes I even like smelling it, because I feel like when you smell it, your food kind of tastes that way. So like basil, I personally like it more when I do like my cheese pizza. I'm trying to imagine my meals in my head. So I used to buy the bags of chicken. Remember how I told you guys, and it was like $6.99 and stuff. But I bought this, you saw the whole thing that I got. I literally bought it for $5, and it's giving me a lot of chicken. So I feel like this is what's working for me, and if I don't want it, I can put it in the freezer. Alrighty, so this is where I like to have fun, and I'm just gonna start seasoning whatever I feel like it.
Oh, this just smells bomb. If it's good, I have no idea. Oh, this smells good with the pepper.
This is a lot of seasoning, and I like my food to taste good. Oil. I'm gonna drizzle it. Drizzle some. I feel like it's putting butter. So, ta-da! And then I'm just literally going to start mixing it. You guys, I'm not here to like Like, I know I'm not like a nutritionist or anything like that, but pretty much I just want you guys to know that it's doable. You guys could definitely do it at home. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm freaking starving. Which one do I feel like eating today? And then you guys, if you guys are meal prepping, I really do suggest for you guys to meal prep. I feel like that's the easiest. If you're running late, you're coming from work, or you're being lazy, whatever it is you're doing is just easier. So you could either cook it all in the same night and then just make your plates, or you could have it prepped and leave it overnight, even though you're gonna have time to cook when you get home. So right now I'm just gonna leave this in the fridge while that cooks, because I'm gonna cook it all today. So we have broccoli that I need to get rid of. I have green beans that I haven't used. Wash. I just need to like reset on everything. This is why you have to be consistent, because you know. Get rid of chicharro. I should make the brown rice actually. That's what I think about it. Okay, so I have the Instapot here. I've never done brown rice, so I'm just gonna follow what it says. It was like $150 as a video. I got the whole grain brown rice, and it says it's gluten free. Alright. I kind of want to put the whole thing. It's gonna be like. I'm just gonna do the whole thing. Alright. I need 6.5 cups of water. Okay. A microwave. What? It says add a tablespoon of You know what? I have unsalted butter. It says you could also add salt, but I'm not going to add salt. I have unsalted butter. Is the Springfield one? Is that a tablespoon or a teaspoon? A tablespoon? Okay. Tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Rice. Ooh. And that's it. I never close my Instapot all the way because I like to check on my stuff. So the rice is cooking. Oh yeah. First batch. All right.
Really viably distributed
I put the chicken in some containers right now. I'm gonna check on this brown rice that I've never done.
Behavioral interventions. There's really no other alternative.
Joe Biden has said that he would impose a national mask mandate where he can if he becomes president. How would something like that work, and is that an approach that you'd recommend?
The word I really caution him to be careful in using.
There's still a lot of
so
water
we all agree, and he has a really strong mandate from Washington, D.C.
So, boiling.
Especially because
I went ahead and chopped
But if he gets elected to the presidency,
cilantro,
so many people in red states that
and then the green beans and the calabaza and the broccoli. I am gonna put some of this broccoli though in like little Ziploc bags so I can save for breakfast.
Do it in some form of mild or quiet protest. That's really good compared to what you expect the flu vaccine to be every year. So think about that. Every single person in this country could take that vaccine properly, and there'd still be 40% of the population vulnerable. So we have to make sure we control our expectations.
Or I like to put it in my smoothies.
We want a large adoption rate. We want people to believe it's safe to take this. We don't want any headlines to...
All I know, they say greens is good for everything.
It's an effective and
try to eat as much greens as I can. The cilantro, I'm gonna use it to put it on the brown rice.
All through next spring, summer, and
For the green beans and squash, I'm gonna put a little bit
new a magical pharmaceutical intervention.
like
Tom, just want to put you on the spot for a moment, if I can.
I'm gonna put some paprika.
Well, the FDA standards and their thresholds and the procedures that they're putting in place. As I said, I'm a little bit more worried about the misunderstanding.
Tom Basil, thanks so much, as always, for your insights. It is a little after 9 p.m. on the East Coast, and there is still who will lead the country for the next 4 years. As of this hour, still too close to call at this hour, Pennsylvania in the Northeast.
Let's go down a little further south. In North Carolina, the president has a lead right now. We're not going to have an official total until...
Alright, the chicken. So I'm gonna let this sit because I'm also gonna put this in the oven. Yes. And last but not least is this broccoli. So I think I'm just gonna boil the broccoli.
Maybe having a favorable run. So for the purpose of this segment, we're going to Alaska, even though we haven't projected it yet.
All of it.
The president's power. The president is North Carolina, Georgia. Look at his number, 268. He's still in 270.
Right. Stuffed it in there. Do I have to put salt? Like a little bit of salt if it's boiling? Or can I boil it without salt?
On the what?
If I'm boiling broccoli.
I mean, if you wanted to like get some flavor like that, yeah.
Nah, I'll put it on salted butter after. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and let this boil. The rice is still cooking. I have another chicken in the oven. This is sitting and marinating, and then we'll come back to see where we got at. Okay, the second batch of chicken came out. Broccoli is boiling. I'm sorry. I don't want to speak. Oh, I think it's done. How do I know when it's done? I don't know, but we're going. I think it's ready, the brown rice. How do I know if it's ready?
I know you don't want to hear it. This little Russia was good to me.
I'm really going first. Oh, chicken.
I'm new to this show.
It's hot.
In Tarantino's class.
Maybe here. I'm trying to do half and half. So what I'm gonna do
I do appreciate your passion. Stingray. Just one word, stingray. Around by midsection.
I see.
This is a very nice setup you have here.
Ooh. Smells good. Let's go take off the water. Oh shit! This is a meal that you guys already saw on Instagram, but I like to add color. So, bam. So, now I'm just going to prep the food. Let's take out the veggies. The veggies are done. Then I got these carrots that are organic. Absolutely bunny love. I mean carrots. Some of these. This is what we have so far. Okay, so I put like the tomato and the limon on a little baggie because when you heat up the food, I don't want to heat up the tomato. So, alright, the last chicken cut. Oh my god, that bag was perfect for all these meals. That's a win. For the rice, it is half a cup. So this is how I did the portions. So I am super excited to eat these. I'll probably add some spinach. I'm gonna add spinach in here. I'm gonna add spinach. The only thing, there's a lot of dishes to wash now. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.